Hi, my name is Joseph Incalcaterra. I'm HSBC's Chief ASEAN economist. So my key economic takeaway from this week will have to be, of course, on Friday. Today, we have the first $36 billion of bilateral tariffs that will hit Chinese imports into the United States. Now, the impact of this should be quite manageable, actually, in the short term. But what really matters is the next steps that the USTR and the United States administration takes. Do we see the next $16 billion come through in the next few months? And most importantly, I would say, is actually auto tariffs. If those come into the equation, that could be quite disruptive, not only for Europe-US trade, but actually it would even impact a lot of exporters in Asia, in particular Japan, Korea, and even Thailand and Vietnam, which have significant auto and auto parts exports to the US. We also, of course, had the minutes for the Fed, the June meeting overnight, and that will also lead into the non-farm payrolls we have this evening. This is important because it helps us derive the policy trajectory for the Fed in the short term. And of course, this matters for the dollar, which is one of the key variables for a lot of central banks in Asia. So next week on Tuesday, we'll have China's CPI. It's going to be important to continue to see price deceleration in the food space in China that allows the PBOC to keep monetary conditions quite neutral or accommodative. Then on Wednesday, we have BNM, Bank Negara Malaysia's meeting. This will be important because it's going to be the first meeting presided by the new governor, Noor Shamsha, and we'll like to see if there's any changes in BNM's take on the economy, but we expect a high degree of continuity. Lastly, on Thursday, we'll have Bank of Korea's meeting.